What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, man. I'm doing this in the car because it is like 1:11 outside. I'm not trying to be in the heat, but in this one, as you guys read in the name of the video, we're gonna be wrapping the roof of the Civic. But I wrapped it like 2 days ago, so yeah, it should be in the future. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys do, leave a comment on how you think it's coming out, and subscribe, man. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, guys, like I said, we did this hood like 2 days ago when we did that quarter panel, but look at these cuts, man. I'm not really too happy about them. Right here I overcut. I don't know if you guys could catch it in the camera, but I overcut, so I just laid a piece of extra vinyl that I had sitting. Over here everything looks pretty much fine. So this side came out decent, but like once you come over here where this molding is at for the windshield, right here in the middle you can see where I attached another piece of vinyl, and I overcut right here, and right here you can see I sliced it. But yeah, I don't like that at all. So let's go to the other side, and let's start from this corner up to like right here. You can see where I start undercutting throughout this whole top corner, which really sucks because I mean the roof looks really good other than those pieces where I undercut. So I might end up doing it again, but who knows. I might just leave it how it is just because of how lazy I am. But you guys saw that we kept pulling it back and then stretching and everything. That's because it had a huge air bubble in the middle. So when you're doing the roof, you want to make sure you and your homie or your spouse or whoever it is, you guys want to make sure that you stretch and pull. That way you could prevent those air bubbles, because that's the thing that we didn't do. We just kind of laid it there and it caused those air bubbles all throughout the roof. But other than that, dude, other than this right here and this right here in the middle, I'm pretty much happy with it. But I might end up redoing it, who knows, only time will tell. But yeah guys, let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and if you're enjoying this video so far, please leave a like. But yeah guys, other than that, I finally got the call for my engine. They said that the block is going to be done by end of this week, so the engine build will start maybe next week. But yeah guys, so far if you guys are enjoying the content, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.